All right, let's dive into step number 2. Step number 2 is all about local business directory sites. So you have your list of all the local business directory sites that you appear in. You have all the sites that your top 7 competitors that rank higher than you appear in. Now it's time to take this to action. The first thing we want to learn about is called citations and why they are important. A citation is simply a mention of your business name, address, and phone number anywhere online or anywhere around the web. Typically, these are found in business directory sites. So this is why it's important, is because the more citations you have, the more votes of confidence you have with, say, a search engine like Google. It's called local prominence. So if your competitors are in 65 different directory sites, you want to be in 70 or 75. The more that you have, the better off you'll be. Now, this used to be the only thing you had to do in Google Places before it became Google Plus Local, but now there's some other factors like your website that have much more weight on your positioning in the search results, but this is still a foundational thing that needs to be done, okay? So the next thing we're going to talk about is claiming your listings and submitting your business details, i.e. your name, address, and phone number. So what you're going to do first is go to your website, copy and paste your business name, address, and phone number exactly as it appears on your website, and if it's not on your website, add it right away because it's important. And then place that on a text document or a Word doc, something where you can easily copy and paste. You're going to go to all those listing sites or those directory sites that you're in, and you're going to claim your listing if it's not claimed, and you're going to put in the name, address, and phone number exactly how it appears on your website, meaning spelling, punctuation, capitalization, spacing, everything. So you're going to do that on all the sites that you appear, and you're going to claim your listing, and then you're going to make sure that your citation or your name, address, and phone number are identical to that on your website. All right. You're also going to do this to the sites that you're not on but your competitors are on. You'll have a list, obviously you have a list of that as well. That's where you're going to go into those sites, and there's a section to submit your listing. And again, the most important thing you want to do is make sure that your name, address, and phone number, I can't say this enough, is identical or verbatim to what your listing is on your website, or your business details. So step number 2 is to work with those local business directory sites that you already compiled from step number 1. You know a citation is important as far as optimizing any kind of online business listing, and now you're going through the actions of claiming your listings where you appear, making sure your citation is exactly the way it appears on your website, and then submitting to the websites that your competitors are on, meaning local business directory sites, that you're not, so that you can do everything that they're doing, and then you're going to exceed that. Alright, so this is an example of what it is to claim or submit a listing, your business listing, to one of these directory sites. So we'll just do something easy like superpages.com. Alright, so we clicked on this result for this master carpentry and repair in Tampa. It's going to, in a couple minutes, pull up the result. There it is. Now remember, I'm using screen sharing software, so there's a little bit of a delay. And let's see, here we go. There's their review, and then you want to say submit yours. So what we're going to do is we're going to add your free listing. Now every site's a little bit different, but if you look around, you're usually going to find either claim your listings. This isn't our company, this is just an example, so I'm not going to do anything with it, but add your free listing. So I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to wait for the next screen to pull up. Alright, here we are, and you want to put in your business phone number. I'm just going to put in a fictitious one, 813-555-69999. Okay, great. Find my business. Now, they're probably not going to find the business, so I can show you really quickly what it looks like to claim a listing. Alright, so sorry, there are no listings for this number. Add your business, and I'm going to go ahead and add it, so I'm going to select that. And then continue editing. Continue to edit your listing. Great, so we click on next. Alright, it took quite a while. Alright, and this is the simple information I was talking about. You're going to put in the exact business name, your address, city, state, zip code, website address, the exact same thing that you had on that that you copied from your website. So you go ahead and enter that information, select business categories, and then it will have you create an account. So you just give your name, last name. Use an email address that isn't your normal email address, because you are going to get bombarded from all these listing directories. You probably do already, but you're going to get bombarded from sales calls and emails trying to upsell you to their premium listings. Don't do it. It's a waste of money. Don't even think about it. So I would set up your own Gmail account or Yahoo or whatever Hotmail account just for submitting listings to, so that they're going to confirm by sending an email to that account. You click on a link and then you go back in and fill out the rest of your details. And that's pretty much it. But again, you don't want to use your business email address because you don't want your inbox cluttered even more with garbage from sites like this one, Supermedia. So anyway, that's the very basic, very easy stuff, but that's what you do. That's what it looks like on one site. All sites are a little different, but basically the theme is the same. So I just wanted to show you that, and let's get ready to move on to the next step. Need to fast track your results? Listen, you don't need to do this all by yourself. You don't need to go it alone. Call today and I can discuss how we can build you a personalized Google Plus Local blueprint. This goes way above and beyond what's discussed in this 5-step course. This also will give you faster results, better lead conversion, more new business, and better staying power, and not just one spot on page 1 in the Google Plus Local section, but to have your business occupy multiple results on page 1 for maximum lead conversion. Again, this includes advanced techniques, methods, and processes that aren't shared in this free 5-step course. Now, this comes to you in 2 formats. The first is a do-it-yourself, step-by-step manual. I do all the legwork for you. I do the keyword research, the competitive research. I put together the plan. You go out and execute the plays. If you don't have time, you just want all the results, great. We can discuss how we can build you a custom strategic plan, build the blueprint, then we'll do all the work for you. In order to get this, give me a call at 941-677-8604. I look forward to speaking with you.